Some hospitals in the national capital continued to grapple with severe shortage of medical oxygen on Friday even after receiving emergency supplies. The Max Hospital in Saket on Friday morning sent out an SOS saying it was left with an hour's oxygen supply and over 700 patients admitted. 2 hours later, in a tweet, the hospital confirmed that it had received emergency supplies which will last another 2 hours. According to the South Delhi DCP, a vehicle carrying oxygen reached Max Smart around 9 am and another vehicle was en route. Around 9:30 am, the Max Healthcare said that it was awaiting more supplies. Indian Spinal Injuries Center in Vasant Kunj also posted on Twitter at 4:20 pm today that it was left with only 1 hour of oxygen and asked for help at the earliest. A senior official of the Batra hospital said that the oxygen situation at their facility is also extremely poor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who cancelled his visit to West Bengal for the last leg of his campaign on Friday, addressed the state voters virtually. He reiterated BJP's promise to bring about Asol Parivartan in West Bengal. Amid the rising cases of coronavirus in the country, he also appealed to the people to strictly abide by the COVID-19 norms. Last two phases of polling left in Bengal, and once again, I would like to request you all to maintain the safety norms due to the pandemic situation, he said. The Prime Minister on Friday held virtual rallies in Suri, which is in Birbhum district, Malda, Berhampur, which is in Murshidabad district, and Bhawanipur in Kolkata. He said that due to the COVID-19, I was busy in important meetings since morning. I could not come to Bengal personally, and therefore I am connecting with you now through technology. So far, people in Bengal voted in large numbers, and it is inspirational for all. We have to follow safety norms strictly and seriously to save ourselves from coronavirus. We can reduce the burden on hospitals if we all handle the crisis carefully. Even before and after vaccination, masks are must. Zydus Cadila on Friday announced it has received approval from the Drugs Controller General of India for emergency use of its drug Virafin for treating moderate cases of COVID-19 in adults. According to Cadila Health, one dose of pegylated interferon alpha-2b Virafin showed clinical and virological improvement in moderate COVID-19 cases. The Ahmedabad-based pharmaceutical firm said that 91.15% of the patients treated with Virafin were RT-PCR negative by day 7. The treatment significantly reduces the hours of supplemental oxygen in the patients, it said. The fact that we are able to offer a therapy which significantly reduces viral load when given early on can help in better disease management, Cadila Managing Director Sharvil Patel said. It comes at a much needed time for patients. The drug was originally approved for liver disease hepatitis C and launched in India 10 years ago. It is being repurposed to treat COVID-19. The Defense Ministry has decided to airlift 23 mobile oxygen generating plants from Germany as several states reeled under an acute shortage of medical oxygen due to a massive surge in coronavirus cases. They said each plant will have a capacity to produce 40 liters of oxygen per minute and 2,400 liters every hour. Principal spokesperson in the Defense Ministry, A. Bharat Bhushan Babu, said that plants will be deployed in the Armed Forces Medical Services hospitals treating COVID-19 patients. The decision by the ministry came 4 days after Defense Minister Rajnath Singh announced granting emergency financial powers to the three services and other defense agencies to make necessary procurement to enhance medical infrastructure in view of the pandemic. He said that the oxygen generating plants are expected to be airlifted within a week. Another official said the Indian Air Force has been told to remain ready to keep its transport aircraft ready to bring the plants from Germany once required paperwork are completed. France stands ready to provide its support to India in its fight against COVID-19, said French President Emmanuel Macron as the pandemic situation in the country deteriorated with over 3 lakh infections being reported in a day. He said, I want to send a message of solidarity to the Indian people facing a resurgence of COVID-19 cases. France is with you in this struggle which spares no one. We stand ready to provide our support, French Ambassador Emmanuel Lenin tweeted Macron's message on Friday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his address to the nation on Tuesday evening, called a second COVID-19 wave a tufan, which is a storm that has swept the country. The worsening COVID-19 situation has seen a surge in the demand for medical oxygen and beds for the COVID-19 patients, and many states are reporting an acute shortage in essential medical supplies. Availability of oxygen is a key element in the treatment of certain medical conditions in the COVID-19 infections. France on Wednesday announced that it will impose a 10-day quarantine for travelers arriving from India in the coming days to prevent the spread of COVID-19 variant found in India. The UAE has also banned travel from India for 10 days from Sunday. Passengers who have transited through India in the last 14 days are also not permitted to board from any other point to the UAE, the Gulf News reported. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.